So you might have heard of the new hype game called Friday Night Funkin'. And like many popular indie games, it needs some damn copies. So today, I shall guide you through the road of making your first rhythm game, aka Friday Night Funkin' original rhythm game. Note this is just a template. So let's start with making a sprite and adding a script into it. This script is gonna be for click detection and basically the main script for the whole game. Let's start off the script by making two booleans and a key code. The reason we do a key code is cause we will be using this script on multiple buttons. Let's add collision detection. We'll be using stay and exit. So basically the script will detect whenever we collide with a note and health. Also, the reason we put this at 0.05F is cause it will go to the player's favor. I'ma let LTGD explain this one.
Well, no. What actually collided with the enemy is this, a collision box. This is an invisible asset that follows along with you and your movement, but is crucially significantly smaller than you are. If we tried to do it on an absolute pixel-to-pixel collision system, it'd be a nightmare. This is a screen.
Plex space. Now let's add the second big script behind the scenes, the health script. Let's start with two indicates. One for current health and max health. Also let's make cap the current health to the max health. Let's go back to the movement script and add a reference to the player, and whenever we miss a note make it so we lose health. Also, the reason we put this at 0.05F is cause it will go to the player's favor. Let's make a script for that. So what we do is make a script and add the following. Rigid body 2D reference and speed variable. Now we shall add a rb.velocity transform.up, which basically adds constant velocity in one direction, which is what we need right now. We should now add a rigid body 2D and a 2D circle collider and set it to trigger. Haha, oops, silly me, I forgot to set the gravity to 0. Shits aggressively. You can see it doesn't work since our player also needs a collider. Add him a collider. It can be either trigger or not, it doesn't really matter. We don't lose health whenever we miss a note, so let's fix that. Make an empty object add a collider, then make a script. This is a simple script. First we reference the player and then do a trigger enter function, and now whenever the player misses a note, the note dies. So let's make another button. And now you will see why we added a keycode variable. We will now edit the keycode and make it a H. As you can see now, we can use both of the buttons. Let's go back to the clip. We are missing something. I'll let you watch some Friday Night Funkin' gameplay. As you can see, the game has volume. So I went to freesound.org and got some free drum and hi-hat sounds. Add an audio source to the player. Put in the clips. Go to the collision script and add an audio source variable. And make it play every time we hit a note. Now let's see its epicness in full glory. This track I call Sunny Side. Also, a few things you can edit is making the click detection a little faster. Also, put all your notes into an empty GAMI object and save them as variables. Goodbye and good luck.